Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Today we are continuing with issue 50 of our R2 build. We have our parts here, and it looks like we're going to be assembling another wheel. Well, let's crack it open. Let's see what we got. Alright, here are the parts that we get with this issue. We have a dome panel and some double-sided tape. Now, I've left it in the plastic here because we're not actually going to be needing it for this particular issue, so I'm going to set this to the side for the moment. And we've got two wheel covers, one with posts, like that, and one with holes. And we've got the wheel itself, along with a number of screws. Now, you're going to need 4 of the 6mm black screws that come with this issue. And what we're going to want to do is to assemble this. Now I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter, but there is writing on the inside of one side of this wheel. And the instruction manual does have the writing side up when we fit the cover plate with the posts. So we'll just do it that way. All right, and with the plate fit flush like this and the post sticking up, we'll take this one, this cover plate, and we'll just line it up with those posts. The other side, just like that, and 4 screws. And with all 4 screws in there, you are done with issue 50. And there you have it, everyone. Another day, another short issue complete. I'm actually a little sad because this is issue 50, which means with its completion, we are officially halfway done with this build. I had kind of hoped for something a little more dramatic than a wheel, but c'est la vie, 'tis what it is. But if you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.